So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how you're going to create an account in your WebEx team. So if you're new in NetAhad and you still don't have Cisco WebEx account, so this is how you're going to create Cisco WebEx account. So Cisco WebexTeam is a collaboration tool that we will be using in our class. So your instructor trainers will be there on that particular space or in that particular team, okay, as well as your other classmates. So this collaboration tool will help us be connected, okay, on the day-to-day basis while you are having trainings from your Cisco course. So if you already have an account, then you can just log in directly, okay, sign in directly. Or right now, I'm going to show it to you on how you're going to register. So you just need to click start for free, okay, and sign up for your email, okay, and then click sign up. So after this sign up, you will be receiving a notification from webex.com, okay, to verify your email. So after you verify your email, then that's the time you can now sign in, okay. So let's say that you already have an account, you already verify, then just click WebexTeam, okay. The other one here is a WebEx meetings, wherein you can use this one as for your webinars. So if you want to create webinars, so you will be using the same account on that one. But right now, I'm just going to teach you how to use the WebexTeam. So when you click WebexTeam, then you just need to put your email. So for example, let's put our email, okay, then you just click next. So it will validate my email. Then let's put our password, okay, and there it is. So now I'm using what we call our web browser, okay. So this is now your WebexTeam environment, okay. So this account is already a member of that particular space. So later I will show it to you also on how you're going to be added on this particular space. So we call it space, wherein this will be your team or a group of part of your WebexTeam environment, okay. So that's it. Then you just need to communicate if you have further questions. So you can write questions here, okay, on this box. If you want to attach some files, share some files, okay. So another one is to download our WebexTeam, okay. So if you want to download your WebexTeam, so let's go back to Google, okay, Cisco WebEx. So you will see here there's one link there called download. So we recommend also for you to download the WebexTeam either to your Windows or to your mobile phone, which is, okay, mobile phone is much better, okay, better options for you to do. So if you are having an Apple, so you need to click an Apple Store. If you're having a Android mobile phone, then download it on your Android mobile phone. So but now I'm going to show it to you how you're going to download and install over your Windows environment. So you will download the installer file. So after your installer file was downloaded, then you need to double click. Then you need to set up the wizard, launch the wizard, and once it is installed, then automatically it will run your WebexTeam. So now I'm able to download already the installer file. Then it will prepare you to install. So you just need to click next for the wizard, and it will install all of the files that needed, Okay, so after that one, it will pop up either you want to launch it, or once you unclick that one, it will not launch, but it will be there in your desktop. So let's try to launch the application. So a while ago, we have the using the web browser. Right now is using the application. So this is the end user license agreement. Okay, so you just click agree, then they will allow you again to put your username that you registered a while ago. Okay, and then click next. Okay, so password, then click sign in. There you go. So we have here now the application, and we have a while ago the browser. Okay, so this is using the browser or using your application. Okay, so I repeat, it will be much better to use the mobile apps, so that, okay, if there will be a notification from your ITC trainers anytime, okay, you will be notified right away. Okay, so that's it. The next part is you need to join our WebexTeam space. So please read your NetAcad instruction on how to join the WebEx team space. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you very much.